Hi, welcome to Codelingua. This video will guide you to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. Open browser, type VS Code, and search. Go to the official site of VS Code, choose .deb file to install VS in Ubuntu. You can find the downloaded file in Downloads. Open terminal using Ctrl-Alt-T. Use Command CD Downloads, press Enter. Provide ls command to list the file in the downloads. Now use the command sudo ap installed/c and press Tab. This will automatically the file name. Now provide Y, press Enter. Provide the password of the system. Now search for Visual Studio Code. You can see the VS Code has launched.